In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to configure static routing on MikroTik router. Okay, I have two MikroTik routers here, MikroTik router 1 and MikroTik router 2. So let me show you the MikroTik router 1 settings first. I have 3 network adapters in this one, and on router 2 I guess I have 2 interfaces. Yeah. One is bridged and another one is custom, that is VMnet adapter 2. Okay, so this one is MikroTik 2 and this one is MikroTik 1. Okay, so on MikroTik router 1 I have other configuration. Let me quickly remove that. Okay, so now you can see all the interfaces. So let me change, I'm gonna say that LAN, and the other one is going to be LAN 2. Okay, so now it's easy to understand, and this one I'm going to say WAN, and the other one Ether 2 is going to be LAN. Okay, so I'm on router 2. I'm going to configure just the IP address. So for Ether 2 there is IP address 10.10.1.1. so I'm changing this one, and I'll be using from so 192.168.1.1, the most basic address which is being used in the world. So on Ether 2 I'm going to use the class B IP address, which is 172.160.1/16, so that way it's perfectly class B IP address. Okay, so 172 and 192, we can ping these addresses. Like, let me show you. If I go to new terminal and ping 192.168.12.101, I can ping that, because you can consider those both addresses as the WAN address. If you have like one WAN router in New York, another one is in the Texas, you can ping those routers because those are going to be WAN. But what you cannot do, you cannot ping their LAN interfaces. Like, let me try pinging the LAN interface of that one. That's 192.168.1.1. I cannot ping that one, but I can ping my interface, which is 172.16.0.1. You can see I can ping that one, and same thing on the other side. So I'm going to configure static route, so that way I'll be able to ping the other side. Like, I'll be able to access the LAN of the other side. So first of all, I'm going to go to the IP and routes, and here I will configure the route. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do the destination address. So I'm going to tell this destination address, which is going to be 192.168.0/024. so if the destination address is this, then use the gateway. What gateway? 192.168.12.159. so it will be using the other hand to send the traffic to there. Okay, and then I will be applying this one, and okay, and on the other side I'm going to do the same thing in IP routes. So I'm going to add another route, and that's going to be for 192.160.0/16, that should be sent using the IP address 192.168.12.159. okay, apply, and then okay, and then I'm going to ping again. So I recently pinged this one, I was not able to ping, and currently I'm not able to ping either. So there is something missing in the configuration. Well, never mind, configurations are not perfectly fine. I have to put this. So yeah, I was making so many videos today, so I think I'm done for today. I should make more videos tomorrow. Okay, let's try pinging again. So now I can ping. There you go, I can ping everything. So that's super simple configuration. Let me just show you the summary what I did in this video. So we have like two interfaces on two different MikroTik router. One is WAN, another one is LAN. So I was not able to ping from router 1 to router 2 LAN, but after setting up the static routes I was able to ping. So tomorrow I'm going to make video how to configure RIB protocol on MikroTik router. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.